Tell me what it is.
96.
That's weird. Oh. You can keep it. Cheers. You guys are about to read minds like you've never done before. Believe me when I say that. As a magician, as a mentalist, we're used to handing somebody a piece of paper and a pen, and they go and they write some secret information down unbeknownst to you. Now what usually happens at this point? The same thing. Either that paper is folded up and handed back to you and you tear it up, or you take the paper back and you stuff it into a wallet, or any number of various things that you all know about if you're watching this right now. With Steam 2.0, you hand them the card and the pen, they write something down, you never see this card or touch this card ever again. Let me reiterate how interesting that is. You give them the card, they write something down, they put it face down on the table, they cover it with whatever's around, they cover it with their hand, a book, whatever you want, yet you're still going to be able to know that information. You could even take it a step further. With Steam 2.0, you can go out of the room. You could have your back turned with somebody covering your eyes. You can even go outside of your apartment or your house on a cell phone and call in the directions for that person. Yet when you come back in the room, you're going to know that information. You're going to know the information 100% every time. It's fail-safe. We've brought together all the right ingredients to make sure that you get the information that you need no matter what. So that means there's no electronics involved, there's no carbon paper, you're not peeking at the card, you can't see through the card, you write something down, it's a very thick card stock, there's no shiners, there's no anything. And unless you actually know the principle from before, don't even hazard a guess, because that's how ingenious it is. It's all self-contained, you get everything that you need inside of the kit. When you're done the performance, everything is 100% examinable too. So there's nothing to ring in or ditch or switch. The technology is beautiful, it almost works by itself, and I know you're gonna love it. Count to 10 for me. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
3, 5, 7. 357, is that what you were thinking of?
Yeah.
Show everybody. But this has meaning about something to do with your family, is that true?
Maybe.
Maybe, it could, right? Are you thinking of a pineapple right now? That's pretty close. You're going to hold it up, and I want you to write anything, a word, a number, anything at all, something that means something to you. And I don't want you to think that I can somehow see this. I'm going to turn around. She's going to put her hands over my eyes, and I will never touch the card again. Okay, so here's the pen. Here's the paper. Yeah, face down on the bar, put the envelope on top, put your hands on top of that. Good, okay. And you can let go. So that was fair, and you never saw it, she never showed it to you, nobody in the kitchen, nothing? Okay, getting something now. This is weird. Getting one thing. And this particular thing has meaning to you, but it's not like a life or death for you, right? Is that something?
Yeah.
This is something that she wouldn't be as interested in. Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, put your hand on top of this, but don't show her. For the first time, what did you draw or write down?
I wrote, do you want to put it?
Yeah. What was it? Beer. Oh yeah. And, no, really, is there any way that I could have known that?
No.
My eyes were, you were covering my eyes. Nobody else was around. Lift your hand. Look what I wrote. Lift.